has been continuously debated in the billion minds in the world of science. Since the early part of the 90s, one explanation of the origin and fate of the universe, the Big Bang Theory, has dominated the discussion. In history, the Big Bang was the moment 13.8 billion years ago when the universe began as a tiny, dense fireball that exploded. Most astronomers use the Big Bang Theory to explain how the universe began. The universe began, then scientists research about the scientific and non-scientific.
Scientific theories also has strengths and weaknesses. Its strength is related to the diversity of phenomena. It can be explained in simplicity. If it can't be changed to meet new data, it might be discarded altogether. In that case, a more precise theory will be needed. It is doubtful some theories will never be significantly altered since they are also well established. Scientific theories also has weaknesses, such as exploitative devices. The benefits of increased productivity were not shared with the workers. Therefore, there are no change of economic conditions of the workers. In conclusion, the semantic perspective of scientific theories holds that theories are subcategories of models. I demonstrate how taking this viewpoint literally results absurdities. These viewpoints specifically separate theories that are equivalent and equals the idea of different. Additionally, the semantic perspective lacks of tools to explain intriguing theoretical relationships, such as potential one theory to be embedded into another. Scientific structuralism is in danger of failing due to unavailability of semantic perspective as it is currently put forth.
Scientific Theory Part 2. The inflation theory proposes a period of extremely rapid exponential expansion of the universe during its first few moments. It was developed around 1980 to explain several puzzles with the standard Big Bang theory, in which the universe expands relatively gradually throughout its history. While the Big Bang theory successfully explains the black body's spectrum of the cosmic microwave background radiation and the origin of the light elements, it has three significant problems: the flatness, the horizon, and the monopole problem. The inflation theory developed by Alan Guth, Angeline, Paul Steinhardt, and Andy Albrecht offers solutions to these problems and other open questions in cosmology. Inflation was both rapid and strong. It increased the linear size of the universe by more than 60 f-folds, or a factor of negative 10 to the power of 26 in only a small fraction of a second. Inflation is now considered an extension of the Big Bang theory since it explains the above puzzle so well while retaining the basic paradigm of a homogeneous expanding universe. Moreover, inflation theory links important ideas in modern physics such as symmetry breaking and phase transitions to cosmology. The origin of the universe has its weaknesses and a strength for this topic. The weaknesses are that this theory has no solid footing at all. It presented as a hypothesis, so it would be instantly falsified by the evidence. It could not be even a credible hypothesis, let alone a theory. But the dark matter, cosmic inflation, and dark energy may be the best explanation we have for the origin of the universe. And the creation of the universe does not have a solid evidence because the theories are explanations of facts and observations from here to the outside of the earth.
This theory has its weakness according to those who believe in creationism. Creationism is a theory that the universe is created by God out of nothing, and usually in a way described in Jainism. Many religious persons, including many scientists, told that God created the universe in the various percents by physical and biological evolution, and that expresses then resulted the creation of galaxies, our solar system, and their life on Earth. Many religions and beliefs in the world, including Catholicism, Islam, Buddhism, believes in creation of non-scientific thoughts about the origin of the universe, includes religions and myths. Non-scientific means that it is not related to science or does not involve scientific method but based on faith, beliefs, and tradition. The non-scientific has also its strength and weakness. Its strength is their creativity. It is not easy to think of different stories of human origin that bind different elements of environment. Also, these theories or beliefs may reflect religion's culture. it can be directly influence how the people view the universe. Their weakness is that even though there is much to prove and show about the ancient people, there is no physical proof that these things or events have actually happened. Disregarding scientific findings and instead believing unsupported ideas may lead to misinformation and delusions.